Hi everyone, my name is Sarwesh, and welcome to this video on Google Teachable Machine. Teachable Machine is a web-based tool that makes it easy for anyone to create machine learning models, even if they have no coding experience. With Teachable Machine, you can train models to recognize images, sounds, and poses. This can be used to create a wide variety of projects, such as interactive art, educational games, and more. Let's first understand what is Google Teachable Machine. Google Teachable Machine is a web-based tool that makes it easy for anyone to create machine learning models. It uses a variety of machine learning algorithms to train models, and it doesn't require any coding experience. Let's get started with the few simple steps to harness the power of Teachable Machine. Step 1. Go to the Google Teachable Machine website. Step 2. Choose a task. You can train a model to recognize images, sounds, or poses. Here I have selected images. Step 3. Collect data. Begin by collecting samples of what you want your machine to recognize. This can be done by uploading files or by capturing examples live with your webcam. For this purpose I will be using pens, smartphones, and a computer mouse image dataset. I will be uploading already downloaded image datasets from Google Images. You can also name the class so that there is no confusion later. Now, let's move on to step 4. Train the model. This is where the magic happens. Teachable Machine uses your labeled data to train a machine learning model. You can fine-tune the model by adjusting various given parameters. The training process can take a few minutes or a few hours, depending on the size and complexity of your training data. For sake of this video I have increased the speed of the video to 10x while model was training. Step 5 is where our model comes to life. Now we can test our model. Let's do it. If I show my smartphone in front of the camera, the progress bar shows 100% on the class smartphone. Then if I bring mouse in front of the camera, the progress bar for mouse goes high. And finally if I bring a pen in front of the camera, the progress bar for pen goes high. This means that our model is working good and is ready to be exported in various forms of code. But I will be coming back in next video with proper way on how to export this model and use this trained model in our own project. And there you have it. Google Teachable Machine, making machine learning accessible to everyone. Start your machine learning journey today. Get creative, explore, and watch as your ideas come to life with Teachable Machine. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and share with others.